How to get the best Moneygram working discount promo code. Now, the very first thing that you can do is just you can do both with this kind of method. Now, from my end, I'm going to be using Google Chrome since I'm using my laptop. And on your end, you can also do the same thing. Now, from your current desktop, just pull up your browser that you prefer. But in this video, I'm going to be using Chrome. Now, just head directly to your search bar and just simply type in couponfollow.com. Now, this is a specific site in which we can use a certain amount of discounts for a certain amount of platforms as well, depending on the website's availability. Now, just head directly to your search bar and just simply type in MoneyGram. So MoneyGram will be the first result right here. Just simply click on that. Now you will now then be redirected to the page in which you have to choose on these multiple options or discounts that you can go ahead and try. So as you can see, there are codes that already has been expired, so you cannot use these anymore. So what you can use is all these specific options that is currently highlighted as black, and then the code will be visible by clicking on this shoe coupon code right here. So before you take orders on MoneyGram or before you do any transactions in MoneyGram, you can go ahead and use these voucher codes. Just simply click on show coupon codes so that you'll have access or so you that you'll have visibility of their unique character codes on this specific voucher. And that's it. That's how you find the best MoneyGram discount promo code.